If you're trying to buy something inside a Telegram mini app while sitting at your computer or your phone, you've probably run into a bit of a wall. You click to buy, and it tells you that you need Telegram stars. Only problem? Unlike your phone, where Apple or Google just pops up a payment window instantly, the desktop app can feel a little disconnected. You might be wondering if you even can buy them straight from your PC. Good news is, you totally can. You just have to know where to look. Let's walk through it. The most reliable way to stock up on stars directly from the desktop app is by using Telegram's official assistant, @PremiumBot. In your search bar, type in @PremiumBot. Make sure it has that official verification checkmark so you don't end up chatting with some random clone. Once you're in the chat, press the Start button and then type or click on /stars. The bot is going to pull up a prompt letting you choose how many stars you want to grab. Pick your package, and a desktop checkout window will slide out. From there, you can link up your bank card or preferred payment method right through Telegram's secure desktop gateway. Once it clears, boom, they hit your balance instantly. Now, if you don't feel like messing with bots, there's an even lazier way. Just open up whatever game or mini app you're trying to use on your desktop and try to buy the item or upgrade you actually want. When your balance hits zero, the app itself will usually force trigger Telegram's native desktop invoice window. It'll show you the exact price in stars, and when you click pay, it opens up that exact same checkout screen without you having to hunt down a separate bot. It's a huge time saver. Keep in mind that desktop payments bypass the mobile app stores, which sometimes saves you from weird regional app store pricing quirks, though your bank might still treat it as a standard online digital purchase. And that's pretty much it. No need to scramble for your phone just to buy a digital upgrade on your PC. If this helped clear things up, hit that thumbs up button, and let me know down in the comments what you're actually using your stars for. Later.